A quick video to show you how to assemble your JIVO One Direction FSDU. Okay, so first what we do is we take off all the other plastic, throw it to one side. The FSDU comes with a couple of different parts, so we have the header board. We have 3 shelving units, so large, medium and small. Separate them. We then have the base shelf, and we have the 2 base divisions. So we separate each of them. Okay, so the main part of the FSDU, the first move is to turn it upside down. Like so. And we have 4 flaps the size of the FSDU, which we fold inwards. Like so. Once we have them folded in, then we flip the FSDU back up. And we fold in this front part here, this front flap here. Fold this down. Okay? So, the next move is to take the 2 divisions, 2 dividers, and put them into the base. So, the first unit goes in diagonally with the slot pointing upwards. Like that. The next one goes in, slot pointing downwards in the opposite direction. And we join the 2 up. Okay, great. Next we have the base shelf. Okay, again, piece of cardboard with 4 sides. We fold in the 4 flaps, like so, and we install into the FSDU. So this works as the base shelf for the display unit. Push that down. Okay, so next we have the 3 shelves. So we start with the bottom shelf, which is the largest. We go on to the medium, and then we go on to the small shelf. So that's bottom shelf first. So again, we have 3 flaps and a front part, okay? So what we do is here we fold the 2 sides and the back flap. And the back flap installs into the back of the FSDU and clicks onto this part here. Okay, so when you're installing the shelf, make sure that the red part is facing down. Okay, so it pretty much goes in like this. Hooks onto the back of the FSDU. So once you've got that in properly, you take these 2 side flaps, you take the front part of your shelving unit and you wrap it around the 2 flaps at the side. It secures the FSDU sides to the shelves and it clicks into the 2 compartments on the shelf itself. Okay, so the next, the middle shelf, which is the exact same process as the first shelf. Got the 3 sides, fold the 2 sides in the back, ensuring we have the red part facing the ground. We again install it into the FSDU, the same way as the first one, clicking it into the back part of the display unit. So, once you got that in, then you take your 2 side flaps, push them in again, and you wrap the front part of the shelf around the 2 flaps and click it into the shelving unit. Okay, the last shelf is the top shelf, which is the smallest, so the exact same way again. 3 flaps and the red part, so you fold in the 2 sides, the back part, ensuring the red part is facing the ground, and you again install into the FSDU using the back clip, like so. Once you've got that in, take the 2 side flaps, wrap them in, and again fold your shelf across. Okay, now all we need to do is add the header and we're finished. This is easy to install. You put this part at the back and put these 2 parts at the front. And there we have it. Full JIVO 1D FSDU.